Welcome to Smart Choice, where we help you make informed decisions about the latest tech products. Today, we're getting all fired up about portable laser engravers. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or just love personalized items, these machines offer incredible versatility. We've scoured the market to bring you our top 5 picks for 2024. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump right in. 1. WAINLUX K10 5-watt laser engraver machine. Kicking off our list is the WAINLUX K10, the little engraver that could. Priced at a wallet-friendly $249.99, this compact dynamo is perfect for those just dipping their toes into the laser engraving world. Imagine being able to personalize everything from your phone case to your pet's collar with just one click. That's right, the K10's memory mode lets you repeat your last engraving without fiddling with your computer again. Now, don't let its size fool you. This 5-watt powerhouse can zip through materials at 5,000 millimeters per minute, covering an 80 by 80 millimeter area with pinpoint .01 millimeter accuracy. That's like writing with a super precise fire-breathing pen. And the best part? No headache-inducing assembly required. Just plug it in, connect to your device, and you're off to the races. Compared to some of the pricier options on our list, the K10 might not have all the bells and whistles, but for beginners or casual users, it's a fantastic entry point into the world of laser engraving. 2. SCULPFUN iCube Pro Max Mini Laser Engraver. Next up, we're stepping things up a notch with the SCULPFUN iCube Pro Max. At $379.99, it's a bit of a jump from the WAINLUX, but boy does it pack a punch. This bad boy boasts a 10,000 milliwatt diode laser that can slice through materials like a hot knife through butter. We're talking cutting up to 20 millimeters of lightwood or 15 millimeters of acrylic in a single pass. That's twice as thick as what the WAINLUX can handle. But it's not just about raw power. The iCube Pro Max brings precision to a whole new level with its ultra-fine .08 millimeter laser focus. Imagine etching details so fine they'd make a microscope squint. And speed? This thing can engrave at a blistering 10,000 millimeters per minute, leaving the WAINLUX in the dust. One of my favorite features is the built-in filtration system. No more worrying about setting off smoke alarms or dealing with that acrid burning smell. It's like having a mini air purifier built right in. For those looking to take their engraving game to the next level without breaking the bank, the iCube Pro Max hits that sweet spot between performance and price. 3. MR.CARVE M1 Pro Portable Fiber Laser Marking Machine. All right, now we're getting into the big leagues with the MR.CARVE M1 Pro. This $949 machine is where hobby territory ends and semi-pro begins. What sets this apart from our previous contenders? 2 words: fiber laser. This technology is a game changer for anyone serious about metal engraving. Picture this: you're running a small jewelry business, and you need to engrave dozens of identical pieces with intricate designs. The M1 Pro's fiber laser can etch into metals with a precision and speed that would make the WAINLUX and SCULPFUN green with envy. Its 2.0 laser power might sound less than the SCULPFUN's 10-watt, but in the world of fiber lasers, it's all about efficiency. Weighing in at just 6 kilograms, it's surprisingly portable for an industrial-grade machine. You could feasibly take this to craft fairs or between workshops. However, its 70 by 70 millimeter marking area is smaller than both the WAINLUX and SCULPFUN, so you'll need to weigh the trade-off between metal marking capabilities and work area. If your projects mainly involve metals or hard plastics and you're looking to step up your production game, the M1 Pro could be your new best friend. 4. LaserPecker 2 Laser Engraver with Roller. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the LaserPecker 2 is about to blow them right off. This $1199.99 marvel is like the Swiss Army knife of laser engravers. What makes it stand out? Its versatility is off the charts. First off, it's got this nifty roller attachment that lets you engrave on cylindrical objects. Imagine personalizing wine bottles, tumblers, or even baseball bats with ease. It's like having a tiny lathe built right in. And with its handheld design, you can take your engraving show on the road, marking surfaces that other engravers can only dream of reaching. Speed-wise, it's a beast, engraving at up to 417 inches per minute. That's faster than the WAINLUX and nearly matches the SCULPFUN. But where it really shines is in its precision. With a 0.05 millimeter compressed spot, it can create details so fine you'd think a fairy did them with magic dust. Compared to the others, the LaserPecker 2 sits in a unique middle ground. It's not as specialized for metals as the MR.CARVE, but it's more versatile overall. It can handle a wider range of materials than the WAINLUX or SCULPFUN, making it perfect for creative types who love to experiment with different mediums. Room 5. Genmitsu Z51 Fiber Laser Engraver. Last but certainly not least, we have the cream of the crop, the Genmitsu Z51. At $1,299.99, it's the priciest on our list, but hot damn, is it worth every penny for the right user. This is the Ferrari of portable laser engravers. Its 64nm wavelength fiber laser can mark any metal you throw at it, from the softest tin to the toughest titanium. And it doesn't stop at metals, it'll happily etch away at plastics too. The precision? Mind-blowing. We're talking 4K resolution equivalent, folks. That's like having a tiny robot Michelangelo at your fingertips. Speed demons, rejoice. The Z51 can mark at a jaw-dropping 10,000 millimeters per second. That's light speed compared to our other contenders. And despite all this power, it weighs just 4.3 kilograms, lighter than the MR.CARVE M1 Pro. One feature I absolutely love is the electric guide rail lift. No more manual focusing. This baby does it all automatically. And the dual preview modes? Chef! Perfect for making sure your design is spot on before you commit. Compared to the others, the Z51 is in a league of its own. It's more precise than the LaserPecker 2, faster than the SCULPFUN, and more versatile than the MR.CARVE. If you're a professional or a serious enthusiast who demands the absolute best, this is your endgame machine. Whoa, what a lineup, right? From the budget-friendly WAINLUX K10 to the professional-grade Genmitsu's Z51, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your engraving game, one of these bad boys is sure to fit the bill. Remember, it's not always about getting the most expensive option. Think about what you'll be engraving most often, how much space you have, and of course, your budget. The WAINLUX is great for beginners, the SCULPFUN for those wanting more power, the MR.CARVE for metal specialists, the LaserPecker for versatility, and the Genmitsu for the pros. So, which one's calling your name? Drop a comment below and let me know which engraver you'd love to get your hands on. And hey, if you've used any of these, share your experiences. We're all about learning from each other here in the Smart Choice family. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful and hit subscribe to catch all our latest tech reviews. Want to check out these awesome engravers for yourself? I've put links to all of them in the description below. Full disclosure, they're affiliate links, so if you decide to make a purchase, you'll be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. It's a win-win. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.